Since its founding in 1978, the Children's Tumor Foundation has helped us learn a great deal about how NF affects the body, the underlying biology of the disorder, and management techniques that increase the quality of life for those affected by NF. But how have we gotten there over these past 35 years, and where are we going? First, we need to understand how advancements in scientific research are made. There are three types of scientific research, like the three legs of a stool, and all significant steps forward in treatments for all disorders and diseases rest atop this stool. The first leg of the stool is basic research. It refers to broadening our understanding of the basic biology of NF, how it occurs, and how it causes the body to react and change. For our first 25 years, much of our funding was directed toward basic research through our Young Investigator Awards, which have brought some of the leading scientists into the field of NF research. Government funding through the National Institutes of Health has also been critical to basic research in NF. Basic research unveils key aspects for the next leg of the stool, translational research. Translational research is where scientists create new ideas on how to combat the disorder from evidence presented by basic research. Translational research is high risk, low reward because many of the ideas do not end up succeeding. Due to low success rates, this leg of the stool is not well funded by the government, biotech, or pharmaceutical companies, and is known as the Valley of Death among both researchers and investors. This critical leg is where the Children's Tumor Foundation has devoted much of the resources raised over the last 10 years. To bridge the gap between basic research and clinical research, ensuring great ideas are cultivated, tested, and advanced, our Drug Discovery Initiative and NF Preclinical Consortium have resulted in millions of dollars in funding, dozens of industry partnerships, and most importantly, a large increase in clinical trials. This final leg, clinical research, is when all three legs are in place and you begin testing treatments with patients to see the results of the research process. Active in supporting all three legs of the stool is where tonight's honoree, OncoSynergy, comes in. Through a world-class team of scientists and clinicians, OncoSynergy is poised to take the promising results of their work into clinical trials to find a treatment for the complications of NF and a number of cancer indications. With the promising work of OncoSynergy and the continued work of the Children's Tumor Foundation, we are moving closer to a happy ending, treatments for all the complications of NF. We've come a long way in 35 years, and with your support and the work of organizations like OncoSynergy, the coming years will mean a world of difference for those living with NF.